Hello everyone, welcome back to Clapvo. In previous video, we created our Clapvo account and organization. Now in this video, I will show you how to connect your WhatsApp number with Clapvo. Once your WhatsApp is connected, you can start syncing your chats, managing conversation and using Clapvo as your team WhatsApp workspace. In last video, we watched how to create the organization. After creating the organization, Clapper will take you to the Getting Started screen. Here, you may see a quick onboarding pop-up. This pop-up explains how Clapper helps your team work together, manage users, assign role, and collaborator inside Workspace. To continue, click on Getting Started button. If you do not want to continue from this pop-up, you can simply use skip. But for this tutorial, we will click on Getting Started. Before connecting WhatsApp, let me quickly explain the trial plan. In Clapvo, you get a 7-day free trial. During the trial, you can connect up to 3 WhatsApp connections and add up to 5 users. This is helpful if you want to test Clapvo with your team before moving to paid plan. After clicking on Getting Started, Clapvo will show you WhatsApp connection setup. So here is the QR code. So this QR code is used to link your WhatsApp account with Clapvo. Now keep this QR code open on your computer screen. Now open WhatsApp on your device. So as the QR code generating, it will take few seconds. Okay, now QR code is generated. Now open your WhatsApp on your mobile device. If you are using Android or iOS, just go to your link device and click on new link device, and there you can add new device. Now scan the QR code show on the Clapvo screen. Once you scan successfully, your WhatsApp will start connecting with the Clapvo. After the connection is successful, Clapvo will start syncing your WhatsApp chats. Please note that the syncing process may take around 5 to 15 minutes. The time depends on your WhatsApp data, number of chats and message history. During this time, please wait. Do not remove the link device from WhatsApp. Once syncing is complete, you will be able to see your WhatsApp chat inside the Clapvo. After connecting the WhatsApp, go to the connection section from the left sidebar. Here you can see the connected WhatsApp number. You will also see the connection status such as connected or disconnected. From this page, you will be manage the WhatsApp connection. You can also add another WhatsApp connection if your plan allow it. Now let me explain the deactivate option. So you can update the name and image of the connection. So if I want to change the name, I can change an icon, also update the connection icon. Here you can see the deactivate option. When you deactivate a connection, Clapvo will disconnect your WhatsApp number from WhatsApp. This means the WhatsApp device connection will be removed. After deactivating, new message sending will not work from the Clapvo because WhatsApp number is no longer connected. But you already synced the chat that remain inside the Clapvo. So you can see the sync chats data, but you cannot do the live WhatsApp operation as your device connection is disconnected. Now below the deactivate option, you will see delete connection. Please use this option carefully. When you delete a connection, Clapvo will remove that WhatsApp connection from your organization. It will also remove all chats related to the WhatsApp connection from Clapvo. So if you only want the temporary disconnection, then use the deactivate option. But if you want to completely remove the WhatsApp connection and its chat from Clapvo, then use delete connection. To make it simple, deactivate means your WhatsApp connection will be disconnected but sync chats will be still stay inside the Clapvo. Delete connection means Clapvo will remove the WhatsApp connection and all chats related to that connection. So always choose carefully based on what you want to do. So as you can see, my chat is still syncing, so it's not appearing. But once the chat is successfully synced, you can see the chat number and all. So that's it for this video. In this tutorial, we learn how to connect WhatsApp with Clapvo using QR code, how long syncing may take, and how to manage connection using deactivate and delete connection. In the next video, we will explore how to use the connected WhatsApp chat inside the Clapvo. Thank you for watching.